Alright guys, gonna run the freebie here for January. 2 tickets and vouchers for Ryan Braun Star Wars, 8:31 p.m. Copy the list. Big list here, busy month. $344 entries. We got Connor on the top, Michael on the bottom. We'll do 3 dice. What we got here? 13 times. Good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. Next clicks the winner. Good luck. Joe in spot 1. We got our verification code here. We are done at 8:32 p.m. Congrats, Joe. Please PM me, and I will get those in the mail in the next couple weeks. Thanks.